Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Sleep Monitor app. Here we go to settings. In this page, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Sleep Monitor and you will click here. Then in this page, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. In this page, you will go to storage and you will enter. Here in this page, you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on or to restart your phone again to fix. So please don't forget to support us.